through the open door. Fresh breeze whisper on the floor. Me breathe in hope, release the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me see the youth look far and wide, searching path them can't decide. World a spin with worry tight, but me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hide in tune, play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide, lead them through the changing ride. Streets full of vices day and night. Some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep. Hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise. Hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark everywhere. Truth reveal when rhythm play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride. Let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold, like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough, teach the heart to stay enough. People join from far and near, share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land, warm each heart and every hand. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend, share the journey without end. Missy mother hold her child, calm him with that whisper mile. Me see elders smile again, free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear, show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith, time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. March together hand in hand. Build a future for the long. Steps, pure and true. Lift the spirit, true and true. When the night I feel too long, sing the golden morning song. Step by step, we rise again. Walk the path beyond the pain.
Echoes meditation, right? More. Morning rise, new day come. Light of tomorrow shine like drum. Beat of hope across the land. Light of Jah by holy hand. Babylon darkness fade away. Light of tomorrow here for stay. Every beam of prophecy, light reveal eternity. Children laugh, the youth rejoice. Light of tomorrow is Jah voice. Elders sing with steady song. chant and poets write. Light of tomorrow burning bright. Every song a sacred flame. Light exalt your holy name. Everlasting, strong and free. Light of tomorrow, unity. All creation testify. Light of Jah never die. Shine, shine, holy flame. Light forever in Jah name. Rise, rise, bold and free. Light of tomorrow, prophecy. Shine, shine, holy flame. Light of tomorrow, bright and strong. Carry the people all along, from the morning till the end. Light of Jah, our guiding friend, forever shining, never gone. Light of Zion, carry on. Light of tomorrow, hold in. Light of Jah, carry on. Light of tomorrow, here we stay. Every beam of prophecy, light reveal eternity. Light of Jah, guiding friend. Ay, 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 ay. Echoes meditation and kaya yaman. Stand so high against the sky. Mountain eternal, never die. Not of weakness, not of sand. Mountain built by Jahan. Babylon storm can't tear down. Mountain where the righteous crown. Every stone a prophecy. Mountain strong eternally. Children climb and youth proclaim. Mountain glorify your name. Elders sit and chant the song. Mountain stand so strong. Not of pride, not of fear. Mountain of Jah always near. Generation look and see. Mountain stand eternally. Traveler lost upon the road. Mountain guide and ease the load. Storm may rage and night may fall. Mountain eternal stand tall. Babylon walls crumble fast. Mountain of Jah forever lost. Every peak a holy flame. Mountain exalt your name. Prophets pray and vision rise. Mountain touch the holy skies. Every nation bow and know. Mountain eternal still glow. From creation till the end. Mountain stand before one friend. Everlasting, bold and free. Mountain guard humanity.
meditation, yeah man.
Mighty stream, river carry Zion dream. Rise, rise, never cease. River chant the word of peace. Move, move, strong and wide. River wash the foolish pride. River of eternity. shine eternal, never fade. Zion star, Jamaica, no Babylon can hide the flame. Zion star, call your name, forever shining, pure and long. Zion star, just song, it blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion star still carry on. When the trumpet sound again, Zion star still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion star, bring your peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion star, show your way, eternal shining, bright and free. Zion star, destiny. Shine high, shine far. Zion star, just star. No shade, no cloud can hide the flame. Zion star, call your name. Zion star, bright and high, shine eternal in the sky. Every spark a holy flame. Zion star, call your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion star still carry on. Smoke a kaya with Rasta, Marcos and echoes, meditation, yeah man. Oh. Fly so high above the land, wings of Jah by holy hand, carry soul to higher place, filled with mercy, love and grace. No chain bind, no wall restrain. Wings of Jah release the pain. Every flight a prophecy. Wings declare eternity. Children soar, the youth rejoice. Wings of Jah, the holy voice. Elders lifted from the ground. Wings of Jah surround. Babylon grip can't hold so tight. Wings of Jah restore the light. Everlasting, pure and free. Wings of Jah for you and me. Through the valley, through the storm, wings of Jah keep we warm. Not of terror, not of fear. Wings of Jah forever near. Travel lost upon the sea. Wings of Jah set him free. Generations ride the breeze. Wings of Jah bring peace. No corruption touch the flame. Wings exalt Jah holy name. Babylon fall, the night can't stay. Wings of Jah light the way. Every nation bow and pray. Wings of Jah guide today. From creation till the end. Wings of Jah remain free. Over mountain, over plain, wings of Jah still remain. Fly together